Why do offices struggle even when everyone is busy? Meetings without clarity. Teams pulling in different directions. Talented people burned out, overlooked, or misunderstood. The problem isn't effort. It's perspective. Sometimes success doesn't require more strength. It requires a new lens. Look at a zebra. Black and white stripes, simple, clear, distinct. But here's the twist. No two zebras have the same pattern. In nature, zebras survive not because they're the strongest, but because they understand identity, role, and unity. In business, leaders fail when they try to make everyone the same. Zebras succeed because they thrive together without losing individuality. In the workplace, confusion often comes from blurred roles. Everyone overlaps. Accountability disappears. Ownership fades. Zebras don't compete inside the herd. Each stripe matters. Each role matters. Great teams work the same way. Clear responsibilities, respect for differences, alignment toward a common direction. When people know who they are and where they belong, performance rises. From a distance, a zebra herd looks chaotic. Up close, it's coordinated. That's leadership. Not control, but clarity. Not uniformity, but alignment. When leaders stop forcing sameness and start valuing strengths, the outcome changes. So if your team feels stuck, overwhelmed, or disconnected, don't push harder. Change the lens. See the stripes. Define the roles. Protect the herd. Because success isn't about standing out alone. It's about moving forward together. Change the lens. Change the outcome. If this shifted your perspective, subscribe to the Success Lens, where we don't chase success, we learn how to see it.